Now we're going to switch from a number 10 envelope to a large envelope, a larger envelope, a 9x12 to be precise. I'm going to remove the number 10s off the feeder. So again, first thing I need to do, set this backside guide first. And I'm running the 9x12 so I can do the 12-inch edge into the machine first and back this operator side guide completely out of the way. And from here, there's a little trick that I like to do with the large envelopes. You can try and use the feeder to do this, put the wedge into place like so. You might have to hold it with your hand and then press the advanced button. And you can get some good results doing that. However, I can also mention something I like to do is just fanning the envelopes out manually by hand. So I'll just take them, give them a bend like so, and then I'll place them on here onto the feeder and kind of do it by hand, and that's really all it takes. So once you've got them in there in place against the back guide, again, we can set this operator side guide, the last thing we do. And for the most part, that's it. Just getting the envelope started. Again, you can take more, kind of do the same thing. Just move my guide back and simply insert more behind our existing stack and just have it fanned out like so. You don't necessarily have to keep the wedge in place, but that's the easiest way to load 9x12s on the Enterprise feeder.
For more info, news, and support, be sure to visit Xante.com. Check the events calendar to get hands-on experience with Xante printers and award-winning IQ workflow software.